Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a flyer in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva, search it to Google. Then log into your Canva account with ID and password. Then you can see here a search bar. Just click on this and write flyer. Press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find many flyer templates, which is thousands of, you can see here, right? So all you have to just choose one which is your choice preference and start customizing by yourself. So let's choose one. Let's choose this one. If you like this flyer and if you want to customize this template, just click on customize this template. After clicking on this, your template is ready to edit. Now you can edit every portion you want. I'm going to show you how. Before that, I'm showing you how you can zoom it. Just click and press Ctrl from your keyboard, up scroll from the mouse. Ctrl plus up scroll, it will be zoom. Now you can see here a picture. If you want to remove this and if you want to add your own picture, just click backspace, it will be removed. Go uploads, upload files, then upload the file from your computer. After uploading, it will be here like this. Just click on this and adjust your picture by dragging from your mouse like here, and it will be here. Okay, so if you want to add here a custom picture, go element and right here any custom picture you want, like tree plantation, and you will find many custom pictures here. Okay guys, so if you just choose one and it will be here like this. If you want to add this, it will be here. Okay guys, so you can change this too. Just click and backspace, it will be removed, and you can add like I show you before, uploads, and you can choose the picture here. Now if you want to change this voluntary emergency response, these writings, just double click and paste backspace, it will be removed, and you can write here anything you want. Okay, so if you want to change the text color, just double click and you can see here text color. You can click on this, your color will be changed. Now I'm gonna you can change this also. If you see this so small, then you can zoom it like Control and up scroll from the mouse, it will be like this. Now you can write by clicking backspace, it will be removed. Then you can add your things, anything you can add here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can change the text color. Double click, go text color, and you can change the text color. And if you want to bold it, just click bold, it will be bold. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how you can change the background color. The whole background color you can see here, which is white, but you can change this too. Just click on this and go background color, and you'll find many background color. Just click and it will be changed like this. Okay guys, so after completing your work, how you can download it, go here, share, and you can see here the download. Click on download and this work will be downloaded in your system. Or if you want to share it with someone, wait, oh, you can see here the PNG file. Choose your type, your file, and start downloading. It will be downloaded. And if you want to share the whole work via mail, just click on collaborate link and you will find anyone with the link, and you write here the email address whom you want to share with @gmail.com .com. If you click on send button, this whole work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so basically this is how you can customize or make a flyer in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.